Hey guys, Michael Valentino from Crusader Caravans in Campbellfield, Victoria. The brand new Musketeer Treville, first of the Musketeers, fully composites, arrived at Crusader Melbourne. Have a look. As it's traditionally known, comes on a 6-inch A-frame built by the team at Intel Engineering. It's a 450 MPa grade of steel with 3mm steel thickness, all the way from the A-frame, 6-inch like so, all the way back to the wheels where it meets the chassis, and it's a 12-inch subframe all the way through. It comes standard with a 50mm ball coupling, reversing camera, towing chains looped onto the traditional Intel Engineering Matador hook system, trail safe, powered by the Caravan brakes. We have a jockey wheel, very quick and easy quality unit from the ALKO team. 9 kilo gas bottles with quick fit systems like so. We have a gas regulator protector, gas regulator switchover valve. We have our protected bully line front with our capping here at the bottom. Chassis number of this unit is 11929. Again, 6-inch frame supporting that whole substructure. Fully composite construction with the Crusader branding across the front and 2 side marker lights with the traditional J-mold. Fantastic thing about this is it doesn't look like a fully composite van. It doesn't strike you as something different like the traditional hybrid units. This guy looks like the traditional built van, but fully insulated composite, meaning no timber whatsoever in the walls, no ply in the walls, no timber in the walls, no alley frame, nothing. Fully composite, no worries, no issues, no water. One-piece side all the way through. We have our tunnel boot, number 9, about 1 metre wide all the way through, tearing at a beautiful 22.28 with a payload of 972 kilos. That is 1,000 kilos worth of grog we can take with us. Now, the tunnel boot locks up like so. We have our gas bayonet on the side for quick and easy fitment. The guy that just pulls out like so, pop him in, and the Weber Q can supply gas off that field there. You have side marker lights. Comes with your wheel brace, jockey wheel, your jack winder, as well as your awning rod and jack there at the back, rated to 3.5 tonne worth of lifting capacity. We have our drop down legs like so on all 4 corners to be able to give you stability as you go through. The chassis is all 6-inch A-frame, right back to the wheels where it meets the A-frame and the chassis, so again a 12-inch structure. We're running a roller rocker 3.2 tonne ATM suspension with 15-inch 235 all-terrain wheels and tyres. Now underneath the van, you'll be able to notice you've got a very, very clean presentation. It's all fully insulated composite, so it's fully insulated comp. Underneath there, all the white, and it's really, really resistant to any impact. As we're going through outside entertainment, we've got Bluetooth external speakers, as well as our NCE Bluetooth speaker system inside. TV hutch on the outside. TV pops in here. We have our 12-volt socket, aerial cable, and double power point for quick and easy outside entertainment. So we're outside, grand final, heap of payload, flying. Picnic table, that just pops down on the outside. Checker plate wheel spat to finish him off. Barb and grab handle assist with a night light setting as well on the first click with a bright light. 2 annex lights externally as standard on this system. We've upgraded this stock van with the Wine Guard HV aerial. Picks up horizontal and vertical reception. 16-foot awning all the way through with black cover plates. Very, very easy to open and close. This is the Dometic awning. The step pull-out manual retraction step, like so, very easy. Crim-safe door with tri-lock. Making our way to the back, we have our spare wheel holder at the back, our clearance lights here at the back with Nava auto LED lamps, as traditionally known by Crusader. You get the Audi European looking indicators. We've got our reversing camera like so, Crusader logo at the back, hot dip gal bumper bar, again from the team at Intel. We have our toilet cartridge like so on the outside. Voila! Dometic ceramic toilet, as well as I believe it's a 19-litre cassette on this unit. We have 2 95-litre water tanks like so. We have our water pump here on the outside of the van with quick and easy quick system change, so you can change which tank you want to use at any point. We have our mains pressure filler. We have our grey water tank flush valve, as well as our grey water tank outlet valve like so. So really well plumbed. We have all in-house electricians and plumbers doing all of the contracted work under Energy Safe and the Rover compliance, taking and making sure that everything we're doing is in-house. We can give you that feedback and traditional expectation of what you can expect in a quality van. Making our way through again, we have our double glazed Dometic windows. The guy at the front is 1000 by 800, 1450 by 550. This guy is double glazed Dometic. Your fridge is up here. We've got our carbon monoxide vent as well as our fridge vent like so. That's a 3-way fridge. It's a 186 litre fridge in this unit as standard. We have our Musketeer Treville branding as well as our power inlet like so with our breakers on the outside. Compliance by qualified electricians, of course. We have our full through tunnel boot on this side as well, so very quick and easy storage. And we're back to the front where the fun really begins. Before we jump inside, we just want to mention there's a few upgraded options you can work through on the Musketeer Trevilles, such as a toolbox like our Excalibur range like so. Very fan favourite option that you'll see on some of the Musketeers coming through, but some really exciting options. So speak to your dealers of what's available for you. Let's go inside, we'll see what it's all about. We'll see what the composite van looks like in the inside. So one thing to really note, besides the music deciding it's going to try and overbear our speakers here, is the Musketeer Treville in this format is absolutely stunning. As we make our way through and really look at some of the composition, there's nothing that stands out, there's nothing that's in your face to say that this is a composite van. Traditionally in the composite vans, you'll open up the cupboards and you'll see your wiring running through it. You'll open up your cupboards here, you'll see the wiring running through it. This is not what you can expect from a Crusader composite van. The Crusader composite vans, everything is tucked away, hidden away, but easily accessible if you need it to be. The Musketeer Treville in the Musketeer range features a club lounge like so, with Nuva Mapper table wherever our little handle is hiding, like voila, 360 table all the way through. You can pull it in, pull it out. You can drop it down if need be as well by pressing the little button on the floor. If you need to sleep another little third party there, you pop the cushions out the way. There's storage and access underneath all these club lounge like so here. On our entertainment side, we have double power point on the kitchen, on the fridge end. We have USB and we also have reading light. In our electrical overhead cupboard, we have our air conditioner plug. We have our sound system that we've already heard. An electric hot water service switch, a 28 litre hot water service from the team at Swift, electric and gas, and we also have our Sphere wireless lighting system that comes in the van as standard with a wireless remote. On the front end, although I'm turning bits and pieces off, I'll light us up. This guy here is the Aspiro system. It allows for autonomy and control over all of the caravan, as well as water pumps on and off and display system on and off. You can change the system to lithium, it's discharging, it's solar, how many volts, how many water tanks, all of that sort of stuff. The remote control up here is the one we just showed earlier with the wireless lighting sequence. One thing about the Musketeer Treville is the kitchen is just phenomenal. So you've got a heap of storage and access panels under there. We've got our pull-out pantry. We've got a cupboard with plumbing, beautiful, tucked at the back, away from headaches. We've got non-returns on every single sink inlet to make sure that nothing's coming up through. You're not going to be smelling any of that grey water. So again, it's got 2 95 litre water tanks and 1 95 litre grey. Cutlery drawer, heaps of storage for excess material. 1, 2, and a flap. Now we have our sink, stainless steel, available with other options as well. Our windows, midget-proof, block out, bingo, bango. We open this guy up, 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3. That's our open setting, and you've got retraction option as well. Double power point, 1, 2, reading, a touch light over top of the sink to give you some extra night light. We have our Dometic Mobicool oven, 3 burners, 1 electric, grill, and oven. Stove switch at the front. This is a matte benchtop, so we have beautiful luxury finishes from the guys from Razor RV, but this is absolutely stunning. First time seeing this one in a dealership, but absolutely loving it. Really, really high end. All piano hinging all across the cupboards with reinforced gas struts all the way through. You can bend the absolute heck, you can slam it, you can knock it around, you can do whatever you need to do. I throw around these things because people traditionally throw a lot of shade on the composite material. The strength that this brings forward into the composition and construction ability of the vans is just phenomenal. Like, it absolutely really packs a punch. My hand's broken now. But as we go through this, guys, you've got your microwave from NCE. There's no plate in this unit, so you don't have to remove anything. You've got a heap of storage here. Everything's out of the way, which is just awesome. Crusader have gone really that next mile with making sure that everything's tucked away. You have a heap of storage. Our windows, big and massive either side of the van. We've got robes, 1, 2, and a drawer. So we've got a full height robe, a little pop-out panel like so you can get all of your USB and double power point charging in there. Our drawers, so our drawers are composite constructed. Composite, ply at the front. We've got side metal drawer runners and very, very easy lever latch with reinforced striker. The guys at Crusader have really gone the extra mile as far as storage, and the really fantastic thing is the guys at Crusader actually utilize the product, so we know what works and what doesn't. Sirocco fans, we've got reading lights like so, overhead cupboard storage all the way back. You've got an arm's worth of storage. It's a heap up there. Above our bed, block out, we've got our fly screen, pull down, open up, easy as that. We've got inside speakers, we've got a Winegard aerial, we've got a 24-inch TV. We have a scupper vent just by our lovely camera lady's head just there. Smoke detector, of course, safety purposes. Storage. Now, a bit hard to see, get the angles, but you've got full height storage in this little guy here. Grouse for some just bits of storage, you know, as far as your and what's expected as spices and whatnot. In here and here. And, a bit hard to get, but you've got about 6 inches worth of storage in here as well. There is no reason, we're not suggesting to load it up to the potential that you need, but the reality is you want to be able to organise your stuff, and this allows for that. 186 litre fridge with wire rack shelving and crisper drawer for vegetables or fruit. We have our freezer. I think she's about 28 litres, the freezer unit, but she's massive anyway. You'll be well covered. A hot water service underneath him. In our ensuite, we have in and out. So this guy is our fan. It can suck in, it can pull air in. There's one here and there's one in the ensuite as well. The shower is massive in the shower units. We've got, again, same fan system, on and off. One-piece fiberglass all the way through, so it's a really compact unit, Australian-made set fiberglass with glass mirror shower door, glass shower opaque door. We have a mirror all the way through, as well as touch lights. Again, storage all the way back. I'm too short, but you know, you get the gist. Reinforced gas struts all the way through again. Double power point, our sink, like so. Washing machine. We have a Aussie Traveller 3.2 kilo washing machine in this unit. And a little travel basket for pegs. Locks away. Storage underneath here. Again, all the plumbing really tidy. Drawers, drawers, and more drawers. So we have the best en-suites on the market, hands down. It is just phenomenal as to how much you get in this, and the way it's all finished off, even with just professional caulking all the way through, is just something that you can really just get a really great appreciation for the money you're spending and why you're spending that extra dollar. We have sliding door with quad lock rollers that lock into place, can't move. Everything is tidy, tight, really, really, really user friendly. Our air conditioner is a Bel Air 2800. That is a heating true reverse cycle unit, and it is just above expectation for that of the Treville. The Treville currently, within 2022 July, sits into that mid-80s range. It is a great starting point for a lot of people within the caravan market, and definitely something that you should be checking out, paying the extra dollar for, getting something that lasts, getting something that is brand new. You don't see Toyota and Tesla and Ford reinvesting in old technology. Timber is out. Composite is in. Fully insulated caravans is the way of the future. Fully insulated panels is the way of the future. No ply on the inside, no material that wears over time, something that gives you a lifetime worth of travel, a lifetime worth of appreciation. Crusader's that manufacturer, and we're here for you. If you want to find out more, give us a call on 9359 2938. Head to the website for more information and to see how these things are put together. www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.com.au. Alternatively, like and subscribe for the next video. Looking forward to seeing you on the road, and we'll see you soon. Thank you, guys.